Ah, Sunday brunch. It's not just a meal, it's an event. Whether you're sipping mimosas with friends or enjoying a quiet plate of avocado toast, brunch has become a universal ritual. But have you ever wondered how this delightful tradition began? Buckle up, because the history of Sunday brunch is far more scandalous, surprising, and sophisticated than you could ever imagine. Our journey begins in Victorian England. It's the late 1800s, a time when breakfast was a formal, buttoned-up affair. But not everyone enjoyed the stiff traditions of high society. Enter Guy Beringer, a British writer who had a vision of something better. Beringer proposed a new meal in an 1895 essay titled Brunch a Plea. He suggested a late-morning combination of breakfast and lunch that would allow people to recover from Saturday night's excesses while enjoying lighter, more social dining. Brunch eliminates the need to get up early on Sunday, making life brighter for Saturday night carousers. Not everyone welcomed this revolutionary idea. Victorian society frowned upon sleeping in on Sundays, a day traditionally reserved for church and quiet reflection. Brunch was seen as indulgent, a meal for the decadent and frivolous. But as cities grew and nightlife thrived, Beringer's idea gained traction among artists, writers, and the working elite. Fast forward to the Roaring '20s. Brunch crossed the Atlantic to America, where it exploded in popularity during Prohibition. Why? Because it cleverly disguised alcohol as part of the meal. Classic brunch cocktails like the Bloody Mary and Mimosa were born, offering a cheeky way to imbibe during the alcohol ban. Brunch became the meal of choice for flappers and gangsters alike, a symbol of rebellion wrapped in elegance. By the 1930s, Hollywood gave brunch its star power. Celebrities like Greta Garbo and Clark Gable were spotted at hotel brunches, turning it into a must-do weekend activity. The glamour of brunch spread like wildfire, and soon luxury hotels across the nation began offering decadent spreads featuring lobster, caviar, and champagne. The 1960s and 70s brought a casual twist to brunch. As suburban life thrived, diners and cafes embraced the meal, serving comfort classics like pancakes, waffles, and hash browns. Brunch became more inclusive, a meal for everyone, not just the elite. Even Julia Child helped elevate brunch, teaching America how to whip up the perfect Eggs Benedict. Still a brunch staple today. Today, brunch has evolved into an Instagram phenomenon. Social media has transformed it into a status symbol, with trendy dishes like avocado toast, matcha lattes, and elaborate pancakes dominating feeds worldwide. Brunch isn't just a meal, it's a lifestyle. From its humble beginnings as a plea for leisure to its modern-day status as a cultural icon, brunch reflects our changing society. It's a meal that celebrates connection, indulgence, and the joy of slowing down. But beyond the fancy plates and bottomless mimosas, brunch has a deeper meaning. It's about carving out time in our busy lives to connect with loved ones, share stories, and make memories. And maybe that's why brunch has endured for over a century. It reminds us to savor the moment. So the next time you sit down to brunch, remember you're not just enjoying a meal. You're participating in a tradition filled with history, rebellion, glamour, and connection. And that, my friends, is what makes brunch so extraordinary. Thanks for watching. What's your favorite brunch dish? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more surprising food histories.